Hello, guys. Welcome to another monthly catch up, season 2, episode 30. We are at the new location now, but I've not actually make video for you guys right now. They just took the light. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's having an issue, but I need to go out. I'm taking those one of this bag out. We make this. This is the first bag we make here. These two. That's the first bag we make here. So I'm just like showing you a sneak peeks. The last time one of the last time I upload, I was talking about we're moving out of one of our location. So this is the one that is replacing the hood one. I just came down to pick up this bag, and that's why I said let me do a update for you guys. So I will also be filming as I will be proceeding to where the client I will be taking this bag to. So when I come back, you'll see whatever I can show and upload for you guys for this month. Welcome to 2026. See you guys at the continuation. How am I looking, guys? Yeah.
It's actually I've been admiring it.
Yes.
I've been
Piece of
admiring
work,
it.
eh? Piece of work, eh? Voilà. Now,
Okay, yeah. Amazing flowers. Beautiful stuff. Can come here and come and get a nice flowers. They have the cactus. I can't even remember the name of the flowers again. Snake plants, spider plants. And they have a lot of pots here. You can come for a variety of pots. You can get a plain pot as well and do the painting yourself. I think they also paint tote bag and canvas here. Those are the canvas there. You can make the paint yourself and you can come and buy. You can even have a picnic here with your family and friends. Place is amazing. Area 3, close to Gariki Hospital. This is Cottage 1. You can also visit them on IT. I'll put the link to the IT on the page. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. So our shop is still, the new studio is still jam-packed. Everything is just everywhere, stuff everywhere, as you guys can see. But we are trying to arrange some stuff to make sure everything is well planned. As you can see, the machine are not even set. Well, I put one machine outside there to work this morning. I'm making some cap. I just want to update you guys. The last time I vlog, I think that is about 3 weeks ago, I said I will be delivering some bag. This particular bag, the second one, that I will make a video. I was able to make a short video that is not even up to 5 seconds because before I could bring out my phone, I forgot, and the reaction was gone. But at least she was very happy. She loved the bag so much. So guys, right now I'm just going to go and make the cap. Once I'm done with the cap, I will come back and show you, and I think I will try as much as possible to end this vlog here. When I end it, we'll come back to talk about some stuff and new things we have planned for this year 2026. So guys, keep watching, subscribe to this channel, give us a giant thumbs up, leave in the comment section down below anything you want us to do on this channel this year, any idea, and I'll try as much as possible to look into that and make sure everything go as planned. So guys, let me continue with my activities now. See you at the continuation. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. I talked about this cap I was making a few days ago. I'm done with the cap. I was unable to show you guys. Even now, I'm about to go send it for the owners. I just remembered I've not finished the monthly catch up, and that's the reason why I do this. So right now I will be sending it out, but by the next monthly catch up, I would have finished setting up everything, and you guys can now see the outcome of our new location and see what we have been up to so far. So guys, no much to say for now, other than I will see you guys later on. Thank you for the support, for being here, for everything. And we look forward to seeing more subscriber on the channel. And before then, everything would have been sorted out and everything will be well organized. And this, it's a workshop, a studio, and a mini showroom for you guys. So thank you for being here, and I will see you at the next one.